Welcome to the ASUCLA Cooking and Crafts Contest. My name is Paul D'Orazio, and I'm a manager with ASUCLA Restaurants. I've trained as a chef in Italy, as well as working in various restaurants around the country. Here I am today with ASUCLA chef Jose Manuel Lira. He's an unbelievable chef, classically trained in French and Italian cuisine. The cooking contest asks you to create your own dish using the secret ingredient, pasta. You'll prepare your dish ahead of time and show it to the group on Zoom. You can make anything you want with any kind of pasta you choose. The only limit is your own imagination. Dishes will be judged on visual presentation, creativity, and virtual tastiness. So be prepared to describe your dish in detail. Today we're going to show you how to make your own pasta. For your dish, making your own pasta is optional. Your pasta can be any type. You're not limited to noodles or even wheat-based pasta. Once your dough is made, there are a variety of ways to shape it.
Let's begin.
This contest will be held at 8 p.m. on Thursday, January 21st on Zoom. You can register for this contest on our website. There will be a panel of student judges present during the Zoom. The prizes are great, and the big prize, AirPods, will be awarded to the best culinary creation. Chef Lear and I hope this has been informative and inspiring. Our world needs more foodies. Cheers and bon appetito.